Hello, in this presentation, I want to show you how to add correctly a new preferred language together to its text-to-speech engine. From this list, I will select a new language that I want to add on my computer. As you can see, the German language contains all the facilities, and I want to add it. You can select now what you want to install, in this case, all features. At Install button click, all selected features will be downloaded and installed. To activate the new display language, I will select it, and log off and on, to do this. After restart or sign in, only one new speech engine is installed, the default one. In the search window, from taskbar, type registry and open the editor. You have to navigate to this key. Next, select the voice you need to install, then export it on desktop. Next, open the exported file in Notepad. Copy then, the selection, at the end of this file. Next, replace informations, in the two sets, as presented. Now, save the file, and run it. Click Yes, we'll add the informations, in the two new locations defined previously. As you can see, now, the desired language is available, in text-to-speech engine. If I switch now to settings, you can see, that all the features are installed correctly and working. I hope this presentation is useful for you, and can use the language in text-to-speech applications, presentations, and different kind of annotation. Till my next presentation, I wish you all the best.